What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We've got a couple fixed blades right here to check out. We've got some stickers, something else. What was that one? JD4EDC. There you go. Some sticker. Oh, we got two stickers in from him. Cool, cool. Illuminati. Good channels. Go check them out. Good dudes. But let's get into these knives real quick. This will be like a first impression / final review. I always do kind of both in one with these. Let's do the Kizer bow tie. Right? Okay, that's what it is. It is a Henning Markson design. D2 blade, stone wash. I didn't think it was this big, so I don't know why it's coming in such a big box. Oops. Don't do that. Oh, see, it's got a box in a box. Yeah, I did not have a big box for it, right? Am I crazy? I'm not the only one that thinks so, right? Alright, so this is apparently you can use it as a neck knife. How exciting. No, I don't use neck knives. It kind of, no. It comes with a pocket clip, so you're on the sheath, so you good. Pocket clip right here, guy. So you got stickers. What's this one say? Action for dreams. And this one is, oh, he's a little trippy. A little grim reaper looking. So you got your information, yada yada, your cloth, normal stuff. You got your cool sheath. Put the string back in. Take the cloth or the sheath out. We don't need that string. So let's check this out now. Oh, almost, that was bad. I almost got caught cutting myself. But, oh, just right there. Can barely see. Yeah, right there. So just got the nip. Got the nip of it. Alright, so what was this called? The bow tie. Kizer bow tie. All D2. Obviously full tang, as you can see, right? But, okay, this thing's trippy. Can you... Sorry, there you go. You can use your middle finger to hold it right here. So there you go, right? No? I guess you just put your finger right there and hold it all together like this. I don't know if it comes with, no, it probably wouldn't. I was thinking maybe it comes with a cover, like some like handles or whatever to go over it, but I don't think it really does. I'm not sure. Because you want to put your, that's kind of awkward right there. This is kind of awkward in a way right here. I don't know. I like my finger right there. I think it works really well right there. But, okay, so let's get into it then. D2 right there. Kizer, cool. Got a nice little, Warncliffe sheep slip blade. Bow tie. Oh, that's the name of the guy, the person. Or I guess, what is it? No, they called it a reverse Tonto. It's a reverse Tonto. Kydex sheath. Let's check the Kydex sheath out. It goes in there very snug. Definitely not a knife you're going to take out one-handed. Good lord. No, you're not going to get that out one-handed. You might have to do a little, maybe a little lip. I wonder if these screws are probably just too tight, maybe. That could be some of it. You have to definitely put some force into getting it out. So I would probably do some work on these screws right here, because that's probably what it is. They may be just too tight. So if you get one, yeah, that's pretty tight. I would also suggest putting on some lanyard, like the lanyard string or something like that. Some string, 550 cord that's around this a little bit, just to give you a little bit more grip, I guess, a little more real estate for your hands. I do like that it has like a little finger hole right here that you could use. I like that. So that's nice. I love that. Get that Kizer box out of the way. Not bad. Jimping's not bad either, though. Honestly, for where the finger hole is at for that, and the jimping, I don't really care too much for the jimping, but when you can put your finger right there and the jimping right here on with your thumb, I actually like that, because I can really pinch the crap out of that to where it's not going anywhere. So I like that. That's not bad. That's a cool little design right there. So I like the finger hole. Definitely, yeah. Because I can really like push my thumb down into it too. Push this finger up with. I'm not trying to flip y'all off. I promise. It's just how my hands lay. Okay, so when I push up with my finger, obviously, and push my thumb down, like it really pinches the crap out of it. and I get some good grip on that. So that's cool. I like that. But it's a Kydex sheath. I don't know if I told you it was Kydex yet. Yeah, that you just need to work on some screws right there, and that's probably it. Not bad. Not too shabby. I like that. Let's check out that Remette. This is the one I've been excited about because I like Remette. Oh, 42 bucks. And also, I'm going to do some measurements and some weights and stuff like that for you guys, so I'm not leaving you out. Oh, yeah, this is the... Oh, okay. I forgot about what this all can do. I'm not going to do it in my room right now, but... Anything else? Nope. Cardboard everywhere. Okay, Remette, do it now. Alright, so this got some Remette knives. How to open, close. Fix blade. Oh, so showing you their knives like right now type of stuff. So that's kind of cool. Oh, what's on the back? I didn't look at the back. Oh, just a general how to maintain. There you go, this maintenance stuff. Alright, let's check this out, y'all. This one's a little bit bigger. And what I liked about it was it's got a fire starter. That's cool. It's more like a survival hunting knife type thing. So that's what I like. So obviously you can store it right in here. You'd have to obviously keep some. Honestly, you don't. Let's get the knife out. If you're really into survival stuff like that and you want this stuff, you don't really need this string right here. Like if you want to use it for other stuff, like you can use it for like a hex head or I don't know what that would be for. Maybe bottle opener type thing, something. Measurements right there. Or this could be a bottle opener too. So you have measurements on it, but I'm not going to do it obviously in here. But you can do this, the back of your knife. If you to cheap, you know what? 42 bucks. This thing is 52 bucks. I would use this. I would use the back of this out in the woods. Like, I wouldn't have a problem using that. So that's cool. I like that. Someone already did, obviously. That's cool. I like that. I need to get a cool survival like type knife like this. But I would want a better steel though. But D2 is a good steel though. Like it's a little harder to sharpen, but it's resistant. It keeps a good edge for a long, pretty decently long time. Pretty good. But yeah. But that's cool though. That's cool. I like that. I'm gonna put that out of the way so I can get some more information out about the blade. I like the sheath. What is it? Kydex. Yeah, it's a Kydex sheath. Your fire starter goes right in there. Okay, you have a D2 clip point stonewash blade. I like the blade. Feels good. It feels good in hand. I was looking at the angle and everything like that. It feels good. Like the angle up top and everything like that going up and down. That feels great. I like that. It's got jimping right here. I wish they came out with a little bit more jimping out this way. But you're definitely going to use that right there. It's not bad jimping either. I feel like when I do want to put my thumb right here on the jimping, my hand kind of catches that a little bit, so it kind of feels a little awkward. So for me, honestly, I'd be using the fixed blade like this, and I'd probably choke up a little more out here, even though there's no jimping. But it's got that little bit of a lip right there, so I'd probably be pushing down on that and back a little bit. So that's how I kind of like to do it. But it's got a great feel though in the handle. And another great thing is full tang. I think most companies now go full tang. Like they don't just do like the little sliver crap inside or whatever. It doesn't work anymore. They break so easy. You can't really. I'm not going to buy anything like that unless it's cheap enough, like dirt cheap. Maybe then. Sheath works not bad. Let's see if it comes out one hand. Yep, one hand for that one. So that's nice. Remette, you're doing good. You're doing good so far. Oh, I never told you. This is the Allosaurus. That's kind of terrible. Is it even on the box? Remette, tactical survival knife, hunting, fishing. Remette Allosaurus. There you go. Cool, cool. I like these. These are cool. The clips. What I like about them is I didn't like them really at first, but this right here adjusts. These right here, they adjust to where you need it at. If you need a smaller, bigger, for your belt, stuff like that. And what I didn't realize at first is, like, because I didn't like it because I have a bigger belt. Like, it's a little bit wider, a little taller, I guess. I didn't realize that you could probably take this off. You can take this last one out, and it'll give you quite a bit extra space, like a good like half inch of extra space. So just take this out, and you'll have plenty of room for your belt if that's what you want. So I like that. That's what's nice. You can't really wear it inside like a pocket, something like that. It is a little bigger for that. You could. It's more like a belt thing. You could put it either way too. I think you can move these. Check it out. Yeah, so you can move this up and down if you want to wear it like this, sideways, or up like this, you know. So it's up to you. You can change that. I like that. It's got a good thing, a lot of good things about the belt clip. I just wish, because they had this on a smaller knife, and I was like, I'd almost rather it just not even have this and just put it in my pocket, because it was a little bit smaller. So I'm like, that's kind of gaudy a little bit. It's a little big, and I don't think I like that. But bigger knife like this, it's perfect for that. Let's get some measurements for you guys real quick, and some weights. We'll get weights with the sheaths on also, so we'll do like both. We'll do both. Remette, what you got? You got about 3.7 for overall cutting edge, and overall you are about 8.1. Not bad. I think this is obviously you have like a lanyard hole right there, but you can use that as like a glass breaker too. So that's definitely like a dual feature for like fixed blades. That's what I like to think, at least. I'm going to use it as a glass breaker if I need to, you know. Hopefully you never need to, though, right? This is about 2.25. Overall, it's about 5.9. Not too shabby. Just going to wait real quick for y'all. There, now you can see it. So, we have, for the Remette, 5.6, a little hefty, but you got a lot more meat in there than like a pocket knife. All right, 5 points. Make up your mind. Go 5.6. Let's put the sheath on. I don't know if I told you this. This one's $52. So 52, 42. Man, they're not bad. I like them both. I don't know. I don't know which one I would choose if I had to. This is 8.8, so let's try it again. So it's a little hefty, but not bad though. It's a fixed blade, you know, a little bit bigger of a fixed blade. They're going to be heavier. You got full tang. It's thicker right here, so you're not going to really have to worry about it breaking, hopefully. You know, fingers crossed, right? Because I really do like this with that finger hole and the jimping. Like, I don't know why I like that. The way they just did it, it works for me. I would probably put some lanyard string or 550 cord around this a little bit just to give it a little bit more meat to it. So with the sheath, 3.7. Let's try it again. Make sure. 3.7 without the sheath. The only thing I would say is I would work on the Kydex sheath. I would work on it and see if this maybe it is the screws, or honestly I've had to take my SE, this SE3, whatever it was. I can't remember what one it was. I think it's SE3. I had to take like a little bit of sandpaper on the inside of it, like right around here, and I had to sand that out just so my blade could go in and out easier without also, like, because I couldn't get it out. It was a fight to get that thing out. 2.4 ounces. Let's try it again real quick. 2.4. Like, I had to fight to get that SE out of that freaking sheath, and it drove me crazy. And I love that thing, except for that freaking sheath. But once I filed it down a little bit, it works perfect now. So sometimes you got to do a little work, do a little extra. Obviously, it's not something you want to do when you buy something, but to kind of customize it to yourself and how you're going to want to use it and stuff like that, yeah, sometimes it's necessary. But these are kind of dope little things. I like these. These are some nice little fixed blades. You got the Remette Allosaurus and the Kizer bow tie. Check them out. Probably Blade HQ. You could obviously check them out on the Remette website, the Kizer website. I don't know if White Mountain Knives has it or not. You might check out there. Use code KNIFELIFE. You get 10% off, obviously. But that's all I got. If you have any comments, questions, leave it down in the comment section. If you guys liked the video, leave a thumbs up. Thanks.